First, screw the two elbows. Before you screwing the elbows, wrap the threads with Teflon. We're not doing it here just because it's for demonstration, but first wrap it with Teflon tape and then tighten the elbows properly before putting the chiller inside the chiller cabinet. All right, after you put the elbows, bring the chiller inside and place it this way so that easily you can access the elbows and screw the both hoses to the elbows. Then after you have done that, you can turn the chiller counterclockwise. And make sure that the pipe goes around counterclockwise. If you look at it, goes around so that it's nicely around the chiller. And then also you place the two valves. You need to use Teflon tape. Here we are not doing it, we just for demonstration, but you need to put Teflon tape on the threads and then tighten the valves in place, and after that you can just screw in the two pipes in there.